Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to do video call on Instagram. So in case you didn't know, now you can make a voice or video call on Instagram, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. First, of course, you need to open your Instagram and then go to your direct message, click on the top right corner, and then here you can just search, click on the search, or you can also click on the plus and the video icon at the top. Oops. Okay, so here you can choose whether you want to start audio call or video call. So just click on this. So now it's creating, and then you can just choose the person or the account that you want to add into your video call, or you can also just, okay, so just wait, you can also just choose here, you can click on the video icon to start a video call, and you can just wait until the other person pick up your call. Okay guys, so that is how you can do video call on Instagram. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.